In this video, I'll show you how to create Mostbet account in Bangla. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So to create Mostbet account Bangla, what you have to do is click on register and choose email or phone number. So I advise you to choose the email option, and then you're going to search for Bangladesh by just scrolling through here to where we can have Bangladesh. So here's the Bangladesh. You confirm it. The currency is also going to change to the Bangladesh currency. You put in your email and your password. In the promo code box here, you're going to use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, most banks are going to give you up to 300 US dollars or 35,000 Bangladeshi currency on your first deposit. Once you put in a promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm to apply the promo code. Once you've applied the promo code, you go ahead and register your account. And once you register your account, complete your first deposit, and you're going to receive your promo code bonus. And that's how to create a Mostbet account in Bangla.